Asante kabisa. Thank you very much. The Hawaii team led by the CEO. Lovely. Sasa tunaingia the climax. No, the climax. The full marathon, both men and women. And we begin with the ladies category. May I call upon on stage Cynthia Koropach. Cynthia Koropach, Chief Enterprise Business Officer, Safaricom PLC. Vile ningependa kumuita jukwani Nozizwe Award, Director Brand and Marketing, na vile ningependa kumuita Lucille Aveva, Director Customer Obsession, Safaricom PLC, to present the next award ya full marathon women category. Na hapa basi ningependa kuwaita wale washindi watatu. Wapi at position number 3, Monica Watetu. Please come on stage. At position number 2, wapi Evelyn Lagat. And at position number 1, wapi Masi Kwambai. Tafadhali when Monica panda hapa jukwani. Ukisikia when she's called Monica, she was born in the morning. Yunaitwa Monica. At position number 2, Evelyn Lagat. Now this one, Evelyn Lagat, she was born in the evening. That's why she's called Evelyn Lagat. At position number 1, Masi Kwambai. Karibuni hapo. Haya, to present the third place finisher at position number 3, wapi Lucille Aveva. Please present the prize for position number 3. This is Monica Watetu. How lovely, Mother. Tupigeni makofi Monica Watetu. Maybe next year she'll become number 1. At position number 2 to present the award is Nozizwe Award. How lovely. And this is Evelyn Lagat. Asante sana. Asante kabisa. Haya, at position number 1, ladies and gentlemen, Lewa Safari Marathon 2025. Huyu ni Masi Kwambai. Okay, asanteni sana. Thank you very much our presenters. Asanteni sana. Now ladies and gentlemen, sasa tunaingia mwisho, tufunge shughuli ya kupeana zawadi mazi. May I call upon on stage Dr. Peter Ndegwa, Group CEO Safaricom PLC. Vile ningependa uje hapa kwa stage Florence Nyokabi, Chief Human Resource Officer Safaricom PLC, na vile ningependa ukuja hapa Fauzia Ali Kemanthi, Chief Consumer Business Officer Safaricom PLC, to present the climax of the climax, the big one now. Eish, hapana machezo mazi. Haya, wapi hawa majamaa? Joseph Karaoke at position number 3. Position number 2, wapi John Muse. Position number 1, wapi Samson Muyada. Hapa machezo, this is the one now, the climax. In the cream. Haya. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, full marathon 42 kilometers at Lewa Safari 2025, huyu ni Samson Lamayan. Aish. Nadhani mambo ndio hayo. I think We can now release you. Wonderful, wonderful. Asanteni sana kama mmepata. Thank you very much. Now ladies and gentlemen, nadhani tunamalizia maneno. Vote of thanks. For the vote of thanks. And by the way, don't go too far, including our visitors na vile vile waheshimiwa, kwa sababu kuna burudani tosha ambayo ni kidogo tu, tutapatia burudani wale ambao wanajitayarisha. Je, Meru Men Cultural Group, where are you? Are you ready? Bas, mkaribie, njoni, karibuni hapa. Njoni.